Amanpreet, co-founder of Amritpala Vision, and today we are here with our student Mr. Raj Adeshra, who recently got his German student visa. He is going for University of Applied Sciences Hof. So let us just talk to him about his entire journey for Germany and how he planned to educate himself in this university. So congratulations, Raj.
Thank you, ma'am.
So tell us something about yourself.
Yeah. So initially, I did my bachelor's in biomedical engineering from here. Then I took 1 year work experience, and then I started looking for universities in Germany. And then I finally got admitted from Hochschule University of Applied Sciences, and I have already completed first semester from here online.
Okay, so what do you suggest, how is the course curriculum designed by this university and what have you studied till now?
Yeah, so firstly I think that, the course is very much student oriented, and it's very much flexible. So because this course is basically for the engineering students who wants to go in management field.
Okay.
So the course is designed in such a way that an engineering student can also understand in a meaningful way and also understand the tactics of management.
Right. That's great. So Raj, I still remember you were insisting us more to apply for the private universities, right? So what changed your mind and how did then you applied for a public university of Hof?
To be very honest, during my bachelor's, my academics were not so great that I thought that I won't get admission easily in the public universities. But as I said, I visited many different consultancies in Ahmedabad who consult for Germany, and they directly told me that I won't get admitted in German universities, public universities. Then I came across Amritpala Vision, and he just guided me and told me and prepared a timeline for me and told me to complete my 1 year experience, and it guaranteed me that I will definitely get admission in public universities. So now I already got admission for public university, and I have already completed first semester there.
Right, great. So Raj, what do you think, what is the difference between a public university and a private university in Germany?
Yeah, so firstly definitely the cost. The cost in public university is comparatively less than the private universities, and secondly I would say the curriculum, it keeps on changing. In private universities we have same curriculum throughout the 5 years tenure, but if we see in the public universities, the curriculum keeps on changing as per the trending subjects and management subjects. So every 2 years we have new courses which are in trend, and also in public universities you get opportunity to study German language, and German language teachings are as good as private German language schools.
Okay, that's great. So what suggestions you would like to give to the students who are planning to Germany? What should they opt for? Private university, public university, English taught, German taught? What is your suggestion?
I suggest definitely they should look for public universities, because definitely the cost factor is one of them, and the curriculum. And the students who are planning to study Germany, they should start preparing and prepare a timeline before 6 to 8 months between they are planning to study abroad. Like if they are planning a winter intake, they should take 6 years prior
6
and
months
start
prior.
their preparing.
Right, that's great. So what German language level do you have from India?
Yeah, so when I applied, I was cleared with A1 language.
Okay, and now you're already studying your A2 with the university.
I recently completed my A2 also with good grades.
Okay, that's great. Suraj, how did you came to know about Amritpala Vision and how did you came in contact?
Yeah, so as I said, my CGPA was not so good that I would directly get admission in public universities. So I tried consulting many consultants who sent Germany. So they directly told me no, that I won't get admission in public university. Then one of my friend told me to visit Amritpala Vision, and the sir, Amritpal sir, directly told me that I can get admission there, and he just prepared a timeline for me and helped me with the documentations and guided me, and finally I got admission in Hochschule University of Applied
That's great,
Science.
that's great. So how much do you scale Amritpala Vision on a scale of 10?
Definitely 10 of 10.
Thank you, that's great. So why you selected Amritpala Vision?
Yeah, so the first reason was Amritpal sir gave me confidence that I will definitely get admission in public universities. And I was already having admit letter from one of the private universities, but he insisted me to wait and guided me thoroughly throughout the process and gave me confidence that I would definitely get admission in one of the public universities of Germany and will get chance to study in free. So, and today I am already studying in a German public university.
Right, that's great. So, what services Amritpala Vision has provided you in your entire journey?
I would say everything. I remember when I started to apply, I was confused that how to create that documents, how to prepare documents, how to create that CV and everything. So I remember I was calling them 3 times a day, 4 times a day, and they were so cooperative. Like every time I was asking them, they were cooperative and they were helping me in each and every aspect. Whenever I was having some doubts and everything.